I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that complete.
I'm gonna help you make money online whether you want me to or not. Yo, what's going on? It's LJ Villas here, and you're here because you're looking for a way to be able to make some extra money from home. Maybe you're looking for a little pocket change.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
System, and I will see you on the inside. And always remember, you're just one side hustle away. Take care. Yo, what's going on? It's LJ Villas here, and welcome to the March Stupid Simple System affiliate contest that we have going on, where I'm giving away $300 in cash prizes, and there's 5 chances for you to make the top 5 and win a chance to earn some money on top of the Stupid Simple System affiliate sales you're going to be getting, where we're giving you 50% commission on all the Stupid Simple products, where there's 6 upsells. And there's a 7th upsell, which is my solo ad traffic, where you'll earn 25% commission on any of your Stupid Simple System referrals. So we're really excited. The system for the contest, it starts Thursday, March 18th at 9 a.m. Eastern. It goes all the way till Sunday, March 21st at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we have about a good 4-day launch for a chance to win. This will be based on most revenue. So the Stupid Simple System, what it is, it's a product, it's a free system, a free membership site that you give away absolutely free to your list, to your leads, to whoever. And when they buy any of the upsells, which are basically there to help them make more money, there are ways to give advanced training, and ways to unlock additional income streams, ways to earn higher ticket commissions, ways to double their commissions, all these different upsells that we offer for your leads. Whenever they buy any, you will earn 50% commission on those sales. And of course, that'll qualify you. Now, here's the cool part. It's not just you doing the work. I'm here to help you make these sales. And the way we do that is, once any of your leads and members, they register, we have a 4-week follow-up system where we're following up your leads pretty heavily, at least twice a day, 2 to 3 times a day for the first 2 weeks, and then at least 1 email per day thereafter, helping you out to get sales, to help increase your conversions. So not only are you going to be earning commissions now, you have the potential to earn these long-term commissions as we follow up with your leads, and anytime they buy any traffic packages, you'll earn a commission from that from the inside of the system. So down below, there's access to the members area, so you can take a look if you want to do review videos as well. We have everything you need. If you need anything else that's missing, all my contact information is below as well, and I'll be glad to get you any information you need. But I look forward to seeing you rock it. I look forward to seeing you hit the leaderboards and promoting the Stupid Simple System, where the March of contest, and I'm looking forward to seeing your success. So I'll see you.
escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always destined for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once that I so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
I'll give up everything, daunting. If I can see my dream.